So this is the wood chipper. We use this to turn in what's basically a pile of tree waste, garden waste from tree surgeons and arboriculturists into biomass, which we use as fuel to dry grain and also to dry the chip so it burns more efficiently within the biomass boiler that we use on the farm. So it's got a 600 horsepower engine in, and you feed logs and trees in one end, and then the other end wood chip comes out of. We load it with a digger with a grab on, a bit like you see in the fur for picking up cuddly toys, so that then if there's any contaminants in it we can pull them out and throw them to one side so they don't damage the machinery and the chipper. There's a conveyor belt on the back as well that has a magnet underneath it, and anything, nails and screws that might be in amongst the things, it pulls them out as well and puts them in the blue skip.